Hey guys, today we're gonna do another unpacking video for you. It's the Box IP-PL500D Powerline network adapters. Someone explained to me why the heck they need to name them such advanced names. Why can't it just be named PL500? The next model could be PL501, next one 502, whatever. I mean, why make it so hard? Anyways, that was off the topic. Start with unpacking these. Inside the box, find two smaller boxes, which have an adapter each. Let's see, piece of tape. It's always handy to have a screwdriver on. So basically these are the version that don't have a power outlet on the outside, so you will lose a power outlet or even two due to its size. But heck, it's worth it. You get rid of some cables instead. Inside you'll find a manual. Power adapter itself. We got the European version, or well, not all of Europe, but most of Europe uses this power plug-in. 3 LEDs on the front, on, and then the action buttons, LEDs. And you also get a normal LAN cable. So, I don't know what to compare it to. I guess I could take a Logitech G700 mouse to compare the size. It's quite small anyways, but still it will take up 1 or 2 slots on the power outlet. Bottom has a group button and where you plug in the LAN cable. We should have a review out, I would say, within a week or two, so stay tuned. We'll be comparing it versus the rates or the TrendNet version that we had earlier and see what kind of speeds we can get out of this. So stay tuned.